So if you're just like me and you've always got painting and Warhammer on the mind and you wish you could hobby on the go, then this is the video for you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the hobby deck from Frontier Wargaming. If you're like me and sometimes you don't always want to be on your hobby desk setup and there's just things all over, and sometimes you just literally want to be able to hobby and get on with your painting wherever it's watching your favourite movie, when you're out and about, and with this you can even hobby whilst you're taking a shit. So the guys over at Frontier Wargaming reached out to me and very kindly sent me one of their hobby decks. Now this is a great utility device that enables you to literally hobby anywhere on the go, and for me this is perfect when, you know, I don't want to sit at my desk all day and all night with things all around me, and maybe I just want to sit and chill out and watch like a quiet film on a night, or sometimes I'm just in one of the moods where I can't really be bothered to sit at my desk and crack on with a load of stuff, especially if you've got like an army, you just want to get on and sit in your comfort of your own bed and paint up some miniatures or even put them together. So this couldn't have actually come at a better time. I was actually in the market for something like this. I even looked at like little hospital bed tables and stuff, just so I were able to sit in my bed sometimes and hobby, or when I'm watching like a film, or just have more of like a relaxed night doing my hobby. And literally the guys at Frontier Wargaming reached out at the most perfect time when I was in the market for one of these, and I'm literally, I've not heard of them before, but I was literally blown away with the quality of this product. So a little bit about the hobby deck itself. As standard, it comes with a removable cushion, one of their enamel mugs that is amazingly magnetized, so when you've got this on, there's no risk of spilling any paint or, you know, having any trip slips, falls with your paint, any little accidents. It's nothing to do with that. But going back to the removable cushion, this is fantastic because when I'm sat and it's nice and comfortable on my lap, and then I can remove that. Let's say if I want to transfer it, if I've been working on it one night and I want to transfer to my normal hobby desk, I can just crack on straight with what I've been doing. I don't have to mess about and move stuff about. You also get 2 modules of your choice, so they do have a couple of different modules that you can get on there. I got one for like the standard Citadel size paint pots, and the great thing about these is as well, they are magnetized, so when you're moving about or if you move onto a certain angle, then again those paints are not going to fall and you're not going to be spilling all your expensive paints. And then one of the other trays, it's a little bit more of like you can just use it with pretty much anything. You can put like your standard dropper bottles in there, or if you're doing a night where you want to put your glues and other tools in there as well. It does have engraved on it as well some little like slots, some little indentations to be able to put your paintbrushes so they're not sliding about all over. And then also it does come standard with these little wooden paint handles. Guys, you know me, I'm big into my paint handles, and especially if you're doing batch painting, or maybe you're going through one of them nights where you might be painting an army and you've got to spend ages doing that process that you hate doing, like blacking certain things out in areas or base coating certain trims on the armour, then, you know, this is really going to come in handy because you can sit in the comfort of your own bed. And another great tool which is removable is the phone holder. So if you want to watch any tutorials of your favourite YouTuber, I hope you guys will be watching me, then you can do that as well, which is really good. Some other little additions is it comes with like this little box to be able to put your handles in, whether you're transferring some miniatures or you just want to put some to one side. And it also comes with like another additional like magnetic mug holder if you don't want to use the enamel mug that comes with it. Navigating their website as well, when you're creating your own hobby deck, there are some additional items that you can add to this product, such as this here, which is the LED light. It's not like one of these cheap things that I've just made and, you know, it just sort of sits there. It's, you know, it's fully adjustable, and it does come with this cable, and if you know, you can plug it into mains, or like I've got it in with one of these USB power banks. And one thing I would recommend to do with this as well, which is what I'm going to do with this power bank, is attach some of that adhesive Velcro and a little bit on the back of this, just so it can sit comfortably on the back of it. However, if you do want to plug it into a mains, they do offer an extender cable so that you can do that. And then finally, which is the Frontier Wargaming guys very kindly did for me is you can have your logo or some text or anything you want laser engraved into the woodwork itself. Product itself also feels very premium. They've not skimped out on anything on here, and when you do get it, it comes all flat packed really nice, and there's a little bit of a build in there. There's some build guides as well, just in case you're not sure how to put these little modules and stuff together. But again, everything, honestly, it feels solid. I could literally run over this with car and it wouldn't snap or do anything. It is that thick. But it genuinely feels like a premium product. It's not like one of these cheap things that you get off Amazon that I've put my paint pots in before and it's just after a couple of days, it's just crumbled. This thing, it literally is genuinely a premium product, and I couldn't be happier with it. And also Frontier Wargaming do offer a huge range of other products that you can get for your hobbying needs, such as like the hobby case that they've got. If you want to go onto their websites, and links will be in the description below to check out some of their other products. And I can't wait to get into my new property because I'm going to be ordering one of their big setups with all like the different modules and stuff that you're able to get just for my new hobby setup. They also have some other additional products on there, which is what I'm going to pick up. It's big enough to get like a standard wet pallet on here, but they do offer one of their like miniature wet pallets, which I think would be perfect to go along with this hobby deck, so make sure you are picking one of them up as well. But yeah, overall it's just products that I'm really enjoying. I've had it a few weeks now and I've been using it over near enough every night since I've had it, and I literally couldn't be happier with this product. I do genuinely get bored of just sitting at my desk, and it's nice some of those nights when I just want to relax in my own bed. Say if I've got like hundreds of things to base coat out on a miniature, and I can just attach them all to this and crack on with it. But yeah, I literally can't praise this product enough. Thank you to you guys over at Frontier Wargaming for sending me this product, and it is going to get a lot of views. But again guys, I'm not one of these channels that, you know, usually does reviews and stuff like that. If I'll only ever do these reviews or like recommendations if I come across a product that I really like and enjoy. I've been offered stuff in the past, and I just know it's something that I'm not going to be enjoy, or you know, come on camera and, oh guys, go out and buy this, when it's not a product I believe in myself. I'll only ever come on video and do these sorts of videos if it's something that I really enjoy and a product that I believe in. Thanks for watching this video guys, and if you do want to check out the hobby deck and some more of the Frontier Wargaming products, then head over to the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video.